So welcome to Red Rock Country. Look at that, we're gonna stop by Castle Rock, 5,248 feet. So awesome, we're on the trip, ETT Squad, finally. Put my sunglasses on. Actually, we're on the new tram too. New tram. God, it's been over a year. It's been over a year that I haven't been on a trip. Now today's a sad day because it's 9/11, so it's, with all going on, it's going to be eerie flying today, isn't it, Lovey? We're at nighttime, it lights up. It's pretty cool at nighttime. Please stand clear of doors.
Accommodate more luggage behind between your legs in the bulkhead seats. And if you're in an exit seat, please look over your safety information card.
And we're flying today, September 11th, 2020. How things changed from 9/11 to a pandemic. Alrighty, TT Squad, I got my Cokie Coke. We got our snacks. This is what they give you. Huh? I don't know. There's like water and some nuts. Yeah, we'll have like a mukbang. He hooked us up. He's awesome. And there's Lovey. We're loading up. We're ready for our Sedona trip. And this is the ETT Squad ride for the next 12 days.
Oh, a photo bomb here.
Photo bomb. Video bomb. Our 2-week Arizona adventure begins with a 110-mile road trip from Phoenix to Cornville, which is a little town between Sedona and Prescott. We will be creating a series of entertaining videos, which will take you to some amazing places like Jerome. Check this out, ETT Squad. Look at those sights. I feel like I'm in Italy. Montezuma's Castle. Prescott. Sedona, Arizona. Gorgeous Sedona.
I don't think it's not that big of a deal. What do you think?
It's gorgeous. Show them Snoopy. Show them the Snoopy. Look at this place. And Lucy. A train ride through Verde Canyon. An all-day adventure with wine tours of Sedona.
So, I'm going to go down the line right now and let you know what everything is.
I'm excited. And much more. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now on to our first resort, which we stayed at for the first 7 days. Highlands Resort at Verde Ridge. If you have any questions about this resort, leave a comment down below. Alright, ETT Squad, we got to our resort here in Sedona area. It's the Cornville area, close to Sedona. So let's go show it. It's RCI. Let's go check it out. It's all deserty. C203. Welcome, ETT Squad. Welcome to our crib here in Sedona area. Oh yeah. Big family room, right? I love it. You got a sofa. I think that's is that a sleep?
It might be.
It might be. I haven't even checked. We just checked in. We got our dining room table, a small kitchen, which it has microwave, and it has a cooktop. That's what's cool. Too bad the DVC resorts, the studios didn't have a cooktop, right?
That'd be awesome.
Because that would be sweetness. And you even got a dishwasher. DVC studios don't have a dishwasher. So that's the pluses. You got a dishwasher and you got a small cooktop. And then you got a full-size refrigerator. Small refrigerator. DVC doesn't have a full-size refrigerator. Remember, they got a little tiny refrigerator. So those are 3 positive. I love that with the RCI. You got your cabinet spaces, and then let's show them our bedroom with a king. And it has a king bed. Check this out. King bed compared to DVC, which those are differences, right? Our studio doesn't have. The studio doesn't have a king bed.
I guess it's a 1-bedroom.
So it's considered a 1-bedroom with the family room. So yeah, you got your flat screen DVD player, your closet. We got a lot of drawers here. Really cozy. It's like the cozy cone because we're in Sedona area.
Yeah, the cozy cone.
It's newly refurbished.
And then the bathroom. Show them the bathroom, Lovey. Has a shower, toilet, has cabinet spaces. So yeah, it's definitely a nice place. And we're gonna be here for the next 5 days, 7 days in total, a whole week that we checked out with RCI. And then we're gonna take you to Sedona, and we're gonna stay at the Hyatt right in Sedona. You're gonna love that one. The gorgeous, gorgeous. These views are just unbelievable. But yeah, I hope you guys like my room. Our studio, 1-bedroom, right? Yep. Comment below if you like it. If you have any questions, and let's show them the view. Let me show them the view. The mountains in the background, the V-stone, all the rocks, deserty. I mean, doesn't that look like the Arizona, like we're in Cars Land? Oh my goodness. Seems like a good segue into our next video, which will be at Jerome, Arizona, a copper mining town in the early 1900s, once known as the wickedest town in the West. Here's a few clips. I got my mountains, ETT squad. This is what I came for, all these steep mountains. And that's why I have my boots. These boots were made for walking. Whoa, you have to be careful. You can't turn around here. Oh my God, ETT squad, there's so many sights and sounds. And look at this van. This is so cool. Look at all the stickers on it. You feel like you're in Sedona, Arizona. But we're in Jerome. No, actually, Jerome. We're in Jerome. Yeah, such a Jerome kitty. Oh, how sweet. Oh, he likes me patting him. He is sweet. What a sweetheart. You live in a nice place.